There are three types of data engineers, and I guarantee you've met at least one. But here's the thing. They're not just different, they're speaking completely different languages, and the real problem isn't their skills. It's something crazier than that. Because once you understand these three personalities, you'll realize why your last project was doomed from the start. The analytics turned data engineer. She's got 47 Jupyter notebooks named Final Final V2 Real and a burning hatred for IT ticketing systems. Her solution to every data pipeline? A Python script running on her laptop named Sarah PC that she lovingly reboots every Tuesday when it crashes. She once wrote, "Import pandas as PD" so many times that PyCharm suggested therapy. And yes, she's still using Excel for quick checks, which somehow always turn into 6-hour debugging sessions. When someone mentions Docker, she breaks out in hives and mutters, "But it works on my machine," while clutching her requirements.txt file from 2019. Her proudest achievement? A Windows task scheduler job that sometimes runs her pipeline, except during full moons or when Mercury is in retrograde. The infrastructure veteran. This is Mike. He has more Terraform scripts than friends, and his idea of light reading is the AWS documentation, all 47,000 pages of it. Ask him about a simple CSV transfer, and he'll design a multi-region, fault-tolerant, blockchain-enabled data lake that costs more than your entire company's valuation. His code reviews consist entirely of, "This should be containerized," and "Where's the Kubernetes manifest?" He once spent 3 weeks optimizing a pipeline that runs once a year. The documentation is longer than the Lord of the Rings trilogy, and yes, it includes a section about handling nuclear apocalypse scenarios. His greatest fear? Someone running code on their local machine. His solution to everything? Let's put it in a container. His container? It's in another container. Just to be safe. The academic. Dr. Chen doesn't write code. He authors computational frameworks. His simple data transformation includes 3 optimization algorithms he invented during his PhD. His code comments don't explain what the code does. They cite academic papers from 1987. He once optimized a group by clause with a custom implementation of a quantum-inspired genetic algorithm. He refuses to use pandas because he wrote his own data frame library with the theoretically superior performance. It only took 6 months and now processes data 0.003% faster. Every pull request includes a latex formatted proof of correctness. He once debugged a pipeline by deriving its mathematical properties on a whiteboard for 4 hours. His proudest moment? Converting a simple ETL job into a research paper titled "On the Topological Properties of Multidimensional Data Transportation in Non-Euclidean Pipeline Spaces." And that concludes our presentation on data engineer stereotypes. Let me know which one you fall into on the comments below.